Hello? As many of you know, currently it's winter outside. What do people do during winter? They go winter drifting. Me? Well, not me. And you know what? The perfection disease, it has gotten to me. I admit it. And there's pretty much two types of people. People who can daily drive a beater, which I cannot. I kinda like it, but I don't love it. And then there's me and a lot of other people who love their cars to be perfect. Just not a scratch. Okay, well, I can't say that about this E36, but you kinda get where I'm going. And in this video, I plan to finally redo my headliner. First of all, it's sagging onto my head, which sucks. Second of all, it's the light version, and I need black ceiling, cause, you know, glamour. And like, am I supposed to drive around with the light ceiling? Hell no. Do I look bored to you? I need the black one. So you know what? It's time to redo the headliner. Let's go. But before we start, let there be some warm Spanish weather up in this garage. Let's go.
Fire and a passion and pain. Just rose back from the ash and the flame. I was burnt out, now it's gas in the tank. She got me stepping up in my masculine frame. See the moon waxing away. To another world, I'll be traveling, man. Fly through the sky, might crash in a plane. This rare moment we will not capture again.
Yeah, well, this is pretty fucking bad. Ugh, look at it. But you know what's cool? You see, there's I don't have the light that goes under the sun visor, but the guy who I get all of my things from, he gave me them, so now I am gonna have them. And to be honest, the system looks pretty damn simple. I just need to cut some holes, I need to go buy the Alcantara headliner, and yeah, a pretty easy job, to be honest. A bit finicky to get the headliner out, but other than that, it's alright, it's alright. Oh my god. One of them is out. It's such a cancer job. Dude, although I love my sunroof, this shit sucks. I'm telling you. This shit blows. Holy fuck. Like, on God, if I redo my headliner and it fucking sags, or my sunroof starts leaking. Oh,
I know you got me in your hands. Go ahead, grab my bow.
oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
I'm scared I wanna run. So much I promise you. I pray that I'm strong enough.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel pretty damn smart because look, I made a template from duct tape and boom shakalaka, here we go. 2 perfect holes to fit those damn makeup lights. Isn't it beautiful? And yeah, I removed the old foam and glue so the new material sticks better. And the last step is to apply my cool ass Alcantara material to this panel.
Just to find my way. And lately I've been stressing about the time my way. So the world stays small and the sky don't change. And I've been hoping they don't know what's behind my face. I had to go the wrong direction just to find my way. Lately I've been stressing about the time my way. So the world stays small and the sky don't change. And I've been praying they don't know what's behind my face. They say transparency is key and all you gotta do is ask. It's different when you on the other side of one-way glass. You the one behind the screen and everybody looking at. Waiting for that one split that's finna break your damn back. They try and see you fall back or fall face flat. Cause they been making side bets about when you finna crack.
Okay, so the headliner is done. I will show you later, but what I want to do next is we're taking the sun visor, and my car originally didn't have the makeup lights. They are over here. So I cut a hole in the headliner, and next I need to wire them up, and they're actually pretty easy because these lights have 2 pins. Although I don't have the connector for the lights, I have these Arduino pins, wires, whatever, and they fit perfectly, all these little pins. No matter the connector, if it's like a needle type pin, they fit them, so perfect. So how does this work? The plus comes from a fuse to the light, and the ground is controlled by the sun visors. So if it's open and this thing is open, then the light should come on because the ground circuit is completed. And I can show you the scheme right now. So yeah, that is pretty much what I want to test, because there's like a little metal contact here which makes the car understand if the sun visor is open or not. And we take a multimeter, right? I hope so. We put it in continuity. You put it in the beep beep mode. And then there are two pins here and one here. The sun visor is in closed position, nothing. We open the lid, we check, nothing. But now we flip this and we test now. You hear that? Perfect. Easy. So this is actually going to be really fucking easy, bro. Okay, so here's my new and beautiful headliner. I cut out the holes for the makeup lights. And then the positive signal is gonna come from here, from a violet and white wire, which is this one. So I'm just gonna connect the makeup lights to this center light. Is it retarded or not? I don't really know. I ain't no electrician, but usually when I wire something in, I do it the easy way. I do just the bare minimum to make sure that the car doesn't burn to the ground. And if one day it does burn down, then oh well, who fucking cares? An E36 got fucking burned to the ground. Also, another little, just a little secret I can tell you. Everything that I have wired in this car, like the OBC, digital climate control, all the switches right in front of the shifter, I use black wires. I just go on AliExpress, I buy a lot of black wire, and I just fucking twist it. Then you put a heat shrink on it, and boom, everything works. And like I said earlier, if it burns, it burns.
The whole time is the ones that you trust moving whack. Trust enough to lack around until you realize they can't. Put your guard up, you better never let it down again. Cause every time you leave it open, they gon' let you down again. Cut ties, make them cry they ever come around again. Burn the bridge, burn the bridge, burn the bridge, burn the bridge. I had to go the wrong direction just to find my way. And lately I've been stressing about the time I waste. So the world stays small and the sky don't change. And I've been hoping they don't know what's behind my face. I had to go the wrong direction just to find my way. Lately I've been stressing about the time I waste. I hope the world stays small and the sky don't change. And I've been praying they don't know what's behind my face. I be damned I get comfortable around these niggas. And I be damned if I seem touchable around these bitches. You don't be worried about shit, ain't your goddamn business. You use the one free ride and there ain't no more tickets. For me one time I bet, but I bet it ain't gonna be a second.
Well, I'm pretty sure this should be done. It's really easy, definitely one of the easiest, if not the easiest retrofits. And yeah, let's bang it. What the fuck, блядь? Ну так ёбаный рот, блядь. Now we connect the light. And now, if I open this, please light up, please, please, please. Okay, oh my god. I got fucking scared, but I took out the multimeter, and the plus 12 comes only when the key is turned to ignition, so now I have the key since I didn't have it before, and now the shit will definitely work. Okay, so here's the light. I turn on ignition, and I open the sun visor thing. Hallelujah! Fucking easy. Easy clap. Easiest retrofit of my life. Just a little heart attack, you know. But happens.
And I can't promise much, but I can promise this, and that's a fact. You won't never get the satisfaction of seeing me lack. Once I see behind your eyes, you'll never see my eyes again. Once I try once, you ain't gon' never see me try again. If you lie once, I ain't gon' hear another lie again. Waste my time once, there ain't gon' be another time again.
Okay, so this is the next day. The headliner is done. And honestly, it was such an ass job. Like, my hands were in the air, legs in the air. It's not hard, it's just ass. And yesterday my camera died during that, so yeah, but that doesn't matter because let's check out what do we have. Da-da-da-dun! We have an Alcantara headliner in the E36, and if you ask me, like, oh my fucking god, that's hot. And of course, we do have the makeup lights, they work. I love this. These are my honest words right now. I fucking love this. Wait, did you really think we were done? Hell no, we still have to do the door cards, so let's go. Let's take off the front door cards, and after that we'll be done. Not gonna lie, kinda sucks that BMW didn't do anything smarter about this. Oh my fucking lord. Because the only way you can take this part off is by breaking these tabs, these plastic tabs. So once I want to put this part of the door card in, I'll need to glue it, I guess. So yeah. Okay, so now we have both of these things out. Now the rear door cards, and lucky me, I do not have to take them out because they are already out of the car. And the story behind that is, right before winter, I bought myself a 4 electric window swap. I got this plastic, I got the wires, I got everything, and my old door cards, which were the same but without this button, I traded them in. So that's the reason why these are already removed. And oh my fucking god, this has the same system. BMW, why did you do this shit? Oh my fucking god.
Take a breath, I know at times it can get hard when you feel like the world's against you. Like you had your long awaited and might have to break to grow. You just might have to let them go, don't let them change you. Well, you're stronger than you know. And when I'm gone, well, I hope you're better off without me. When I'm gone, well, I hope you find someone who loves you. When I'm gone, I hope you have the strength to go. Baby, you can move on. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone, where do we go? Where do we go? This mountain town will always be our home. Where do we go? Where do we go? This mountain town will always be our home. I was dead wrong and I know that now.
And the beautiful door cards, they are done. Look at them. Ooh, so nice, so nice. I won't be installing these door cards today though, because I do not have the glue to glue them onto the rest of the door card. And also, maybe I'll think of a better way, because what if I need to take them off? Then glue seems not the best thing to do. Oh, and I also have a couple more Alcantara things ordered, and when they arrive I will definitely show you that. And when I will install these door cards, I will also show you that. Oh, and I have one last thing to show you, but for that we need to take a quick 5-minute walk, so let's get it. Yo, hello, yo. Can you hear me? Thank you for watching the video. Peace out.